and snow. Voices of the north in the cold wind blow.
Shadows in the night, but the stars still glow. If I fall tonight, let the whole world know.
Calling me home where the oak gods stand, through the storm and the blood red sand. The sky falls down and the rivers run slow. Hear my name in the winter snow.
Hot steel in the hand when the long ships sail. Cold in the lungs when the night winds wail. Came from the frost where the brave don't fail. Every scar got a story to tell. Drums in the dark when the war horns cry. Storm in the chest like the northern sky. If I walk through fire, I don't ask why. Kings rise once, but the legends never die. I don't run when the thunder crack. Stand my ground when the wolves attack.